Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Doom Eternal game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable subtitles within your gameplay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Doom Eternal game on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, you can press the K button or click on the gear icon at the bottom left to enter the settings page. Now, once you are inside the settings, click on accessibility at the right side. And now from this page, just scroll down until you see the audio section. Now within audio, you can find the subtitles. Just click on the checkbox if you wish to enable, and you also have the option to show the speaker name. If you wish, you can also have a subtitle background, and you can increase or decrease the size of the subtitles that appear within your gameplay. After making your desired changes, you can just go back and your changes will be saved. And now you can start enjoying your game with your chosen subtitle settings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable subtitles on the Doom Eternal game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.